everyone, I am Chitranshu Srivastava, student of class 11th, and I will be your reporter for this week edition of MSPS Campus Chronicles. And like always, I will take you around the campus, giving you a glimpse of the various activities going around the school campus. So stay tuned as there is much more to come. Vande Mataram is not just our national song, but it truly displays the spirit of our country, for which no practice is ever enough. The school choir is all set up with these practices of this song, so that every student can imbibe this. Through a variety of competitions in the school, the uniqueness of each child is recognized. So let me take you a part of inter-house English poem recitation for classes 6 to 8. The endeavor is to equip the students with spirit of innovation and exploration.
So I keep on dreaming and working.
Inter-house English extempore for class 6 to 8 was conducted in the school campus. Such competitions helps the students to build confidence and gives them exposure to face a lot of challenges. The talent of the students is discovered through such activities. Education and competitions are interrelated with each other. Co-curricular activities and competitions are framed to nurture the mental, emotional and social development of a child. The children were confident and enthusiastic to show their talent. Everyone spoke well on their respective topics. These competitions are a great help to raise the intellectual levels of the students. Technology has played a positive role in making a learning pleasure. The interactive panels have played an important role in making the learning process not only interesting but also easier, and it is rightly said that what we learn with pleasure we never forget.
It is the world's largest.
Adding visuals in the teaching process facilitates the learning process and keep the students engrossed in the class. The light of learning with enthusiasm is clearly evident on their faces.
The line segment doesn't go on and on. It has these two endpoints.
CBSE Class 12 results were declared yesterday, and our school students have passed with flying colors. With their achievements is commendable. Students were thrilled to see their pics of victory highlighting as the highlight of the newspaper. There were tears of joy all over. The final bell rings and the corridors begin to echo with the happy and joyful sounds and murmurs of children leaving for summer vacations. The laughter could be heard everywhere as the students wrap up with wonderful months of studies and gear for the upcoming vacations, a period of relaxations and fun. The excitement of the summer break is clearly visible on faces of the children. The children are excited and happy for the summer vacations. They are looking forward to the summer camp, which begins from Monday, that is 18th, and will continue till 23rd of May. The extra classes for class 9 to 12 will also be starting from 18th onwards and will end on 30th May.